It's pronounced Vag and I'm Adam. In this video, I'll be showing you the aerofabb spoiler extension, and this intro, and actually the whole video, is coming a bit later than anticipated. I've already got another video out of modifying it. I just want to show you the detail of the packaging and the material itself, or the product itself, the hardware, the instructions, and how well thought out the whole product is, the care that was taken to put it all together. So I already have the spoiler installed in my car. I hold in my hand the badge from the spoiler, and you can see a little sneak peek right there. Go check out the video of how I modified it. I'll also be posting up another video about doing the install itself. So check those out and hope you enjoy. I am going to open up the aerofabb rear spoiler. This is the Volkswagen Mark 7 7.5 GTI and R that it's gonna fit. First off, I gotta say that this is packaged very well. It's a cool little box, unfolds very easily. Tons of bubble wrap that it's wrapped in. It's super lightweight. So here, we'll go ahead and cut this open. All right, and in foam. So it can feel. I thought for sure that this was gonna have some sort of film on it because of the gloss black. Gosh, that looks so cool and shiny. That looks awesome. This is the spoiler. It's got a bunch of tape already mounted on the back side of it. There's the mounting points here with these little rubber washers to make a good tight fit. What I'm going to show you here is the aerofabb logo placard on there. So there's the spoiler itself. I'll show you what's rest in the box. There are some highly anticipated instructions that I've heard a lot about, pages and pages. So very well laid out diagrams, beautifully printed. I see so many times where there's instructions that are copies of copies, it looks like. And so this is awesome. Rich did an awesome job just putting this together. There is an amazing amount of detail in here about the installation. Let's see what else is in here. There's a little bit of other material in here. Wow, it is all taped down a ton. Gosh, I don't even know. Let's see here. There's what looks to be like a little bit of, here, we'll take this all off as one package. There's some alcohol prep pads. There is some universal primer. There is a Sour Patch Kid in here, and business card and some other hardware. So I'll take some shots in detail of the hardware and everything that came in the box. Yeah, looks like it all came in one piece, so I'm pretty happy with that. All right.